Hi guys, coming to you from the bunker, also known as the home office, as we work remotely during this COVID time. Yesterday in the state of Washington, our governor issued a stay-at-home order that is very similar to the state of Oregon and similar to state of California and other states as they deal with this COVID crisis. State of Washington's order is very specific and in identifying what essential business means and who can stay open. And typically what we're seeing kind of across these various mandates is that essential businesses related to residential construction and related to repairs for structural or safety issues and any kind of support or consulting work related to professional services like inspection of those things or other kind of code required work is considered an essential business. So thankfully for the J2EN team, that is about 85% of our business. So we are reaching out to all our clients and business partners and talking about what these new rules and regulations mean, also explaining our sanitation and social distancing policies and how that's changed some of our interactions. And then for all non-essential work, how we can continue to work on that remotely and safely. And there's actually quite a bit of work we can be doing on that, and it's actually a great time to do that. So a lot of the planning, design, pre-construction, bidding, budgeting, financing, all that soft work can be done up front so that when this period is over, those projects who are ready are first in line to get out there and get their buildings repaired. So we have prepared a updated COVID cleaning policy and sanitation policy and remote work policy, and we are implementing that across our projects. We're encouraging those non-essential projects like aesthetic makeovers or maintenance or things like that to postpone and pause during this time. So we appreciate your flexibility and patience as we work through this. And if you want to talk about your project, whether it's ongoing or whether you're thinking about it or what you should do, got any kind of questions, happy to spend 15 minutes with you and just kind of walk through any of those. And you can find my scheduler link below, and happy to talk to you about that. So anyway, stay safe, keep washing your hands, keep that social distancing, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.